Welcome back to ClearTask. Have you ever tried managing multiple social media or ad accounts, only to wake up and find them all suddenly banned? Here's the reality: the platforms know way more about your browser than you think. Even if you use incognito mode or clear your cache, sites track your digital footprint, things like your IP address, fonts, time zone, and hardware. That is how they link your accounts and shut them down. That is where BitBrowser comes in. In this 2026 review, we are looking at why this anti-detect browser is a mandatory tool for digital workflows. BitBrowser creates completely isolated browser environments. Every single profile you create looks like a distinct, real user on a completely different computer. There are no shared cookies, no overlapping history, and each profile gets its own unique proxy. Your accounts stay 100% separate and secure. So who actually needs this? BitBrowser is the perfect solution for social media managers juggling clients, e-commerce sellers running multiple storefronts, affiliate marketers, ad buyers, and crypto traders. Basically, if your business relies on running multiple accounts without the risk of getting flagged, this is for you. A major bonus feature inside BitBrowser is its cloud phone functionality. It includes a built-in Android emulator that allows you to run mobile-only environments, like TikTok or the Instagram app, straight from your desktop without needing a separate physical device. Setup is incredibly simple. You just download the software for Windows or Mac, click to create a new profile, attach your proxy, and hit confirm. There is zero coding and absolutely no complicated network configuration required. When it comes to pricing, it is highly accessible. BitBrowser offers a free plan that gives you 10 permanent profiles, which is perfect for testing the waters. If you need to scale up your operations, paid plans are very budget-friendly, starting at just $10 a month. If you are tired of dealing with shadow bans, account flags, or the hassle of constantly logging in and out, it is time to upgrade your system. Check the link in the description below to claim your 10 free profiles and try BitBrowser today. Thanks for watching ClearTask. Drop a like if this helped, and I will see you in the next video.